Everyone knows what fluorescent colours are, but do you know how they work? So in short, fluorescent colours or fluorescent pigments take light that we can't see from the ultraviolet range and bring it into light that we can see. Now, I won't bore you with all the details of how light's reflected and emitted and all that sort of thing, but basically we're taking light that we can't normally see, bringing it down into the visible light spectrum that we can see, and so therefore the colours look even brighter than other colours when the same amount of light is shone on them. And it's that process of taking the light that we can't see from the UV light spectrum into the visible light spectrum that actually, all that physical work on a microscopic or actually atomic level that the pigments do, that actually breaks them down. So it does mean that all fluorescent pigments and fluorescent colours are actually not light fast. In other words, before too long they will tend to fade. If you want your fluorescent colours to look really bright, then grab hold of a UV lamp. You can get them in a whole different array from torches through to fluorescent tubes, and they will really make the UV colours, the fluoro colours, pop. So if you want something bright and fun for your t-shirt, we have the fluorescent colours in Derivan screenings. We have them in the Derivan face paint, or even the Derivan Students if you want to do bright signs or backdrops, or even, I don't know, paint your nightclub in fluoro colours. The Students works brilliantly.